Good morning and welcome again to the reading of Joshua chapter 12 onwards. Joshua, a book from the Old Testament of the Holy Bible, chapter 12 onwards. Now these are the kings of the land which the children of Israel smote, and possessed the land on the other side of Jordan, towards the rising of the sun from the river Arnon unto Mount Hermon, and all the plain on the east. Sihon, king of Amorites, who dwelt in Heshbon and ruled from Aroer, which is upon the bank of river Arnon, and from the middle of the river, and from half Gilead, even unto the river Jabbok, which is the border of the children of Ammon, and from the plain to the sea of Chinneroth on the east, and unto the sea of the plain, even the salt sea on the east, the way of Beth Jeshimoth, and from the south under Ashdod Pisgah, and the coast of Og, or king of Bashan, which was a remnant of the giants, and dwelt at Ashtaroth and Edrei, and reigned in Mount Hermon, and in Salca and all Bashan, unto the border of Jeshurites and Maacathites, and half Gilead, the border of Sihon king of Heshbon. Them did Moses the servant of the Lord had the children of Israel smite, and Moses the servant of the Lord gave it to a possession for the Reubenites and the Gadites and the half tribe of Manasseh. And these are the kings of the country which Joshua and the children of Israel smote on this side of Jordan, on the west, and Baalgad in the valley of Lebanon, even unto Mount Halak, that goeth up to Zir, which Joshua gave up to the tribes of Israel for the possession, according to the divisions, in the mountains and in the valleys, in the plains and in the springs, and the wilderness in the south country, the Hittites, the Amorites, the Canaanites, the Perizzites, the Hivites, and the Jebusites. The king of Jericho won, the king of Ai, which is beside Bethel won, the king of Jerusalem won, the king of Hebron won, the king of Jamroth won, the king of Lachish won, the king of Eglon won, the king of Gezer won, the king of Debir won, the king of Jedar won, the king of Hormah won, the king of Ardad won, the king of Libnah won, the king of Adullam won, the king of Makeda won, the king of Bethel won, the king of Tapua won, the king of Hopher won, the king of Aphek won, the king of Hefer won, the king of Aphek won, the king of Lasharnon won, the king of Madon won, the king of Hazor won, the king of Shimon Emeron won, the king of Aksha won, the king of Tanak won, the king of Megiddo won, the king of Kadesh won, the king of Jokneam won, the king of Dor in the coast of Dor won, the king of the nations of Gilgal won, the king of Tirzah won, all the kings 31. And now Joshua was old and stricken in years, and the Lord said unto him, Thou art old and stricken in years, and there remaineth that very much land to be possessed. This is the land that it remaineth all the borders of the Philistines, all of Geshuri, from Sihor, which is before Egypt, even unto the borders of Ekron northward, which is counted to the Canaanite, 5 lots of the Philistines, the Gazathites, the Ashdothites, the Eskelonites, the Gittites, the Ekronites, and the Avites. And from the south, all of the land of Canaanites, from Meara, that is beside Sidonians, unto Aphek, to the borders of Amorites, and the land of Gibites, and all Lebanon, towards sunrising from Baalgad, under Mount Hermon, unto the entering unto Hamath. All the inhabitants of the hill country from Lebanon and Misrephoth Maim, and all the Sidonians, them I will drive out from before the children of Israel. Only divide thou it by lot unto the Israelites for an inheritance, as I have commanded thee. Now, therefore divide this land for an inheritance unto 9 tribes, and half tribe unto Manasseh, with whom the Reubenites and the Gadites have received their inheritance, which Moses gave them, beyond Jordan eastward, even as Moses the servant of the Lord gave them, from Aroer, that is upon the bank of the river Arnon, and the city that is in the midst of the river, and all the plain of Medeba unto Dibon, and all the cities of Sihon king of Amorites, which reigned in Heshbon, unto the border of the children of Ammon, and Gilead the border of Geshurites and Maacathites, and all Mount Hermon, and all Bashan unto Salca, all the kingdom of Og in Bashan, which reigned in Ashtaroth and Edrei, who remained of the remnant of the giants. For these did Moses smite and cast them out. Nevertheless, the children of Israel expelled not the Geshurites nor the Maacathites, but the Geshurites and the Maacathites dwell among the Israelites until this day. Only the tribe of Levi he gave none inheritance, and the sacrifices of the Lord God of Israel made by fire are thy inheritance, as he said unto them. And Moses gave unto the tribe of the children of Reuben inheritance according to their families. And the coast was from Aroer, that is on the bank of the river Arnon, and the city that is in the midst of the river, and all the plain by Medeba, Heshbon, and all the cities that are in the plain, Dibon and Barmothabal, Beth Baal Meon, and Jahasa, and Kedemoth, and Mephath, and Kirjathaim, and Sibma, and Saret Shahar in the mount of the valley, and Beth Peor, and Ashdopishka, and Beth Jeshimoth, and all the cities of the plain, and all the kingdom of Sihon, king of the Amorites, which reigned in Heshbon, whom Moses smote among the princes of Midian, and Ivai, Rekem, Sur, and Hor, Reba, which were twigs of Sihon, dwelling in the country. Balaam also, the son of Beor, the soothsayer, and the children slay with the sword among them that were slain by men. And the border of the children of Reuben was Jordan, and the border thereof. This was the inheritance of the children of Reuben after their families, and the cities and villages thereof. And Moses gave inheritance unto the tribe of Gad, even unto the children of Gad, according to their families. And Moses gave, and their coast was Jazer, and all the cities of Gilead, and half of the land of Ribon, land of the children of Ammon, unto Aroer, that is Rabbah, and from Heshbon unto Ramath Mizpeh, and Betonim, and from Mahanaim to the border of Debir, and in the valley Betharam, and Beth Nimrah, and Sukkoth, and Shaphon, the rest of the kingdom of Sihon king of Heshbon, Jordan and its border, even unto the edge of the sea of Chinnereth, unto the other side of Jordan eastward. This is the inheritance of the children of Gad, after their families, the cities and the villages. And Moses gave inheritance unto half the tribe of Manasseh, and this was the possession of half the tribe of Manasseh by their families. And their coast was from Mahanaim, all Bashan, all the kingdom of Og king of Bashan, and all the towns of Jair, which are in Bashan, 80 cities, and half Gilead and Ashtaroth, Edrei, cities of kingdom of Og in Bashan, were pertaining unto the kingdom, children of Machir, the son of Manasseh, even to 1.5 of the children of Machir by their families. These are the countries which Moses distributed for inheritance in the plains of Moab, on the other side of Jordan by Jericho eastward. And unto the tribe of Levi Moses gave not any inheritance. The Lord God of Israel was their inheritance, as he said unto them.